Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to continue our second chapter, chapter number 2, Electronic Mail. Page number 21. Today we will learn about CAPTCHA. What is CAPTCHA? Well, a CAPTCHA is a test used in a process of using computer internet to ensure that the response is generated by a person. It is consists of letters and digits in a distorted manner. You have to type the same letters and digits in the box. Basically, CAPTCHA stands for Completely Automated Public Turing Test to tell computers and humans apart. In other words, CAPTCHA determines whether the user is real or spam robot. CAPTCHAs stretch or manipulate letters and numbers and rely on human ability to determine which symbol they are. Move to next. Next one is how to read an email. You will follow these steps to read an email. Step number 1 is click inbox option, turn the left pane. Step number 2 is double click on the required mail to open it, read the message. So students, log into your Hotmail account on a computer and click on the new email. It should be displayed at the top of your inbox. Step number 3 is if the message contains any file, double click the name of the file to save it or click download. A dialog box appears asking you to save a file or to open a file. And step number 4 is click on OK button. Well students, next one is how to compose and send an email. To compose and send an email, follow the given steps. Step number 1 is open the website in which you have your account. For example, here is www.hotmail.com. Second step is type your username and password in the given text boxes on the web page. Click sign in button. Your account window is now opened. Well students, when you follow this step number 2, you will able to write your first email message from Hotmail. Step number 3 is click the new button on the window. The following screen appears on your monitor. Then type the address of the receiver's email ID in the address box. And next one is type subject of the mail in the subject box. Then type the contents of your message or matter to be sent in the blank area provided. Then click the send button. Your email message has been sent to the address mail box of the address as you mentioned. Okay students, I have an activity for you. You will do best if you follow the instructions which were discussed in this lecture. First of all, you will open the website www.gmail.com and create an email account. From the email account, compose a message and send this message to any of your friend. Ask your friend whatever he or she got the message or not. Okay, now here is home task for you. Question number 1 is explain CAPTCHA. Question number 2 is what are the features of email? Third one is write the steps to create an email. Fourth one is write the steps to read an email, and fifth one is write the steps to compose and send an email. Well, students, you will get all the answers of these questions from this lecture. I am sure you have understood today's topic. Hopefully there will be no confusion. Well, that's the end of my lecture. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.